Everybody, Jonas Andersson again, yet another video doing some product testing. I got this fantastic fly fishing vest from Kyle Booker. Let me see if I can sort out. Here we are. So this one, I'm going out today fishing the coastline and intend to, wear and tear it and see what my experience is using it. I'm gonna add all the details you need in the details below in this video. It's a mesh vest. I already mentioned in the unboxing video, it looks really nice. You did see me unboxing this one. So it's 4 degrees Celsius, so I think I'm gonna use it. I might be cold otherwise. So I just turn it on, put it on, and as you see, it's a finally back home. I was out using this the whole day, and yeah, I like it even more. It's light and it has pockets, everywhere, even on the sides and the back and inside, even inside here. So I love it. It's a really good product.